What's going on here? Okay, let's see. Hello and good morning, everybody. A weak lighting today. So, there has been a lot happening here, and there has been happening a lot around here. And yesterday I traded, but I did not stream, which was not a profitable day. And today there is no. Let me just go directly to the. Hold on, let me try to cancel everything that's open. Wait, oh yeah, IQ is closed. Okay. So as you just can see, I just entered to a long trade, and the idea that I have would be to around anything around 65. Just have to set my levels in place. It's a little bit, everything is a little bit happening quick. I don't have enough time to explain, but I will just get back to it afterwards. Yesterday was a very ugly day, negative day. And I blame just myself. I know the broker is... I know this broker widens the spread like crazy, so why should I stay in a position for long? There's no trust. I cannot trust this broker, so I should not have stayed, but I stayed, so I got shredded. I got destroyed. Yeah, so anyway, now let's see what we have here. TV. Yeah, so here is what we have today with the, you have black space. We have, what is this? With TV. Yeah, so anyway, why is so slow? Yeah, you can see there is some news. CVS conference is going at 4 p.m. but there, except that there's nothing else going on. And here we have I have my position running on Nvidia. I'm on a long position, and I just need to let me see. They are right above, and yesterday was a huge negative day. Today is a huge positive day. So I guess anything around I'm making 8% now, which I'm getting triggered to close because I'm right at S5, which is normally is where I stop trading in total in general. Like if I'm around that level, that doesn't do for me anymore. It's over, the move is done. But it's Nvidia and just start to move, and minimum 10 euros, $10 I'm looking at. Hopefully. And yeah, man. So we'll see what happens. So it's pushing, and as I said, I'm just looking for a sweet move to the I mean, now it's I'm 10 grand in profit, but I would look, I'm looking into more than covering yesterday losses and also profit today. So anything around 139 would be nice. We'll have one more minute, and this will push, definitely will push to the upside. The roll of 50% from the top is one of the best rolls of all time, but rules of all time, because then it minimizes my ongoing risk and helps me to stop positions that are already falling back. This thing is moving well, and don't think it's necessary to close it, but we'll see. Qs are falling back. We'll see that what happens if it falls on its face. So if it pushes, keep pushing. Yesterday I was yeah, it's pushing. Yesterday, let me see what happened yesterday. Custom period. Yesterday, I know. Yesterday, that's the worst version of the song. I'm butchering it, I know, but it's okay. It's not American Got Talent. So around 9, -9. So if I get anything above 10, it would be a green day. So we have one more minute, and I'm seeing a positive push to the upside. Yeah, for sure. Qs are pushing. If you can see at the bottom of the screen, let me see, put it here. You can see at the bottom, Qs are pushing to the upside, and also as so all of them. So there was a time that I used to stay in a trade for, trades for hours and hours and hours. I used to stay once, Nvidia, it was Tesla, it was around 3,000 something, 2,000 something, maybe 500 or 600. And I stayed in that trade for more than, like I stayed for the whole trading day. I stayed in that trade for the whole trading day. I opened at 8, no, it was 9:15, 9:20 before market opens, and I closed that trade in right after, right around the bell. Unbelievable. It never happened again, and I never stayed in one trade that long. But I'm normally like right now, go and get out, and that's it. This trade took what? I'm done, and I surpassed yesterday's loss, and I'm happy with what I do. I mean, it is still going, but I mean, my target for this would be around 58. 58, I think, would be a good target. There you go, we already reached 58. Well, to be precise, 58.50. But anyway, what, we are 58.10. Anyway, so that will be it for today. and I did not use all of my force. I did not use all of my potential. I just went in with I went in a little bit with margin, but yesterday was a little bit ugly because I just mismanaged the position. And you know, let me debunk what happened yesterday. So yesterday, so this is this is yesterday. So yesterday I came home and this one. Yesterday I came home and I arrived a little bit late, so I tried to catch one side of the trade. So after it was this formed, I went long. No, it was around here when I arrived. So I waited, and after this formed, I went long. So I went long, and it was nice, and it was all good, juicy, glorious, and all good. Then what happened here, right on this level, right here, it was one level, was S3. So it just, you can see what happened. It broke S3, I entered, and then it fall back, crashed, and then I got burned. And then I made a mistake here, and instead of going long, I here, right here, instead of going long, I entered to a heavy short position. But I was like, yeah, maybe it continues. So it continued. My idea was just it's gonna go back, it's gonna continue, but it did not. It fall back, pushed back, and then you can see what happened up here. You can see it went down and then pushed back and then continued going up. And then where did it go? Yeah, and then this happened. And then this happened, and the idea was then I entered a quick short. It didn't work, but I left it to play. I did not enter here, add here. Normally when this happened, I add heavily up here when I properly position myself, but here because I was heavily in, I did not position myself well, and I could not add more. But then right down here, around here, let me put it this way, yeah, around down here, when for the second time it crashed, I didn't add, but I closed everything. When this happened, I added heavily, and I closed all of my position down here. Although I closed yesterday red, but today I made it all back plus. So like today and yesterday and today together, I'm positive 1%, 2% together, yesterday and today all together. So this is how I mitigate risk, to just proportionately individually looking at each position by risk, and then consider everything weekly. And if I want to go weekly, last 3 days, this week will be a positive week. Yesterday was the only red day during last month, and I just blame so one of the things that I want to say, so here down here I tried to quick twice, and that because of the high spread I got shredded. Right up here again, here right up here when I wanted to get out, because of a spread. Like these guys, they held 70 cents of a spread at normal average. It went up to $1.10 of a spread. $1.10 of a spread. In which universe that's normal, I don't know. But I'm thinking about opening a brokerage account with one of these guys. We'll see that which one comes along and which one I can do, and we'll see which one's more doable. So that's for today, and I'm done. And you just saw what did I do today. So what did I do and what I did that. So one of the things that I do is the failed or broken levels. When a level becomes a hammer, goes when it gives a signal, that signal becomes a false signal, or like a hammer. When we have a hammer, the hammer doesn't work. The hammer doesn't work and it becomes a failed hammer. That signal eventually could become a contrary signal. It means that, imagine I'm getting a short signal, but the short signal, the hammer that's giving short signal, it fails, it goes back up again. When that thing is a 212, I go long. Okay, let me show on the chart. Huge candle, right? This is the open. it goes on and it gives you this candle. When it goes back up and it fails as a 212 212 to the upside, I go long. And then when you look at it on 1 minute, this is the only candle that in last 2 weeks I have traded. Look at the 1 minute chart, the only. So look here, this is what I'm talking about. You see this hammer? Like this. You see flash? When it broke up, I just went long, and when this formed, I got out. So I'm not gonna stay in a position. It may go higher, it can go higher, it should go higher, right? It should go higher, but well, for me I'm done. And it could be anything else around. And oh my god, you remember I said at 58.60 and it reached already, it broke the level, like it literally shredded that level, and bye bye. But anyway, so I'm done. And it's good to be a scalper, it's good to know what you do, but scalping takes it takes a solid understanding of the market and how market behaves, and you know how you should do stuff. Otherwise, with all of these movements, you just get ran over. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, it's not much into it anymore. Yeah, there you go. So I made $2.40, and it's already $2 high, so I could have doubled my profit. But as I said, I'm just looking into break even with yesterday, have a green week, and let it go positive, and we will look into stats at the end of the week. And yeah, that's about that. Yeah, I'm happy with what I did and how I did, and I got what I wanted. I'm looking at my stats, and yeah, I'm happy with how I did and what I did. And yeah, that's about it. And I wish you a good, juicy, and successful afternoon. Be careful, watch out. This market is still ripping. I could stay in, but I gotta. Maybe I just get used to staying in for longer time. I don't know. This, if I have stayed, oh la la. What was my out? $57. My out today was here, and my entry was 54. Yeah, so I could have 100% more profit. Up. Yeah, profit 100% more, not the whole account. Yeah, so have a nice one. Keep it green, guys.